In this question, it says points A and B have coordinates h, and B has coordinates 4h plus 6, 5h respectively. The equation of the perpendicular of AB is 3x plus 2y equals to k. Find the values of the constants h and k. Now let's say we have this point A, which is h, and we have another point B, this is a line AB, which is 4h plus 6, 5h. Alright? And there is this perpendicular bisector. Let's name this perpendicular bisector P, which has the equation 3x plus 2y equals to k. Now this perpendicular bisector will obviously cut this AB at its midpoint. Let's name the midpoint as M, and it will be at 90 degrees to this AB. Now they're asking us to find the constant values of h and k. Now first let's find the value of h. Now the value of h can be found by equating the gradient of AB. That will be done. P has 3x plus 2y equals to k. The equation of P is 3x plus 2y equals to k. If I convert this into the standard form of the equation, which is y equals to mx plus c, so I'll get 3x plus 2y equals to k. Making y the subject, I'll get y equals to k minus 3x over 2 and over 2. So the gradient of the perpendicular bisector is negative 3 over 2. If the gradient of this thing is negative 3 over 2, the gradient of the line, which is AB, which is perpendicular to this, will be negative reciprocal of this, right? So the gradient of AB will be 2 by 3. Alright? So gradient of AB, negative reciprocal of the gradient of its perpendicular bisector, which is 2 by 3. Now A is h, B is 4h plus 6, 5h. This is x1. Let's take this y1, x2 and y2, and put this in the formula for the gradient, which is m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Gradient is what? 2 by 3. y2 is 5h minus h, y1 is h, x2 is 4h plus 6, x1 is h. So when we compute this up, we get h equals to 2. Now we have h. Now how can we find k? We know that this perpendicular bisector B will cut AB at its midpoint, right? And the coordinates of this midpoint will satisfy, coordinates of the midpoint M of AB will satisfy the equation of AB and the equation of P, which is this. If I put the coordinates of M, X and Y right here, it will satisfy this equation because these coordinates exist on this line, and these coordinates, they also exist on the line of AB, right? So we'll find the coordinates of M, which is the midpoint of AB, by using the midpoint formula. Then we'll put those coordinates into this equation of P to get the value of K. So midpoint equals to, coordinates of midpoints are x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2, and we're finding the midpoint of AB. So we'll use the coordinates of AB. A was h, and B is 4h plus 6, 5h, right? So midpoint will become this, let's say x1, y1, x2, y2. So x1 plus x2, h plus 4h plus 6 over 2, comma, y1, h plus 5h over 2. So this is 5h plus 6 over 2. X coordinate is 5h plus 6 over 2, y coordinate is 6h over 2. Right? So we'll get this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. And this must satisfy the equation, the perpendicular bisector, which was 3x plus 2y equals to k. Now x is 5h plus 6 over 2 plus 2y is 6h over 2 equals to k. Now we have h and k both in the equation, hence we cannot find k until unless we know the value of h. And we have already found the value of h, which is 2. It's right here. Right? So I'll plug 2 in this, in the place of h, I'll get 3, 5 times 2 plus 6 over 2 plus 2, 6 times 2 over 2 equals to k. So if we compute this, we get k equals to 36. Alright? That's our answer. K is 36 and h is 2.